Okay, I'm back home. I got the bean dip. I'm putting it aside. And now she gets original for lemon because I love the lemon butter. I'm scared. So I have my food on the side. And then yeah, let's try it. Okay, let's see this first. Oh, okay. See in the can. I don't know. I got my doggies right here. Ooh. Okay. Not gonna lie, the first one is smells like a dog food and cat food. Look at that. Okay. I'm scared. I got my doggies right here next to me. It's time for the hot sauce. I know I got in the big one now. Take the first one. Hold up. Okay, not that bad actually. I love the beans and I love hot Cheetos. I don't know about who makes it, so. Ew. Ew, 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 ew. Okay. This is the beans and Cheetos. What the? Not gonna lie, it's not that bad actually. In the videos it looked disgusting, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I like it with, I don't know, from the lower one, but I'm gonna put it between 8.5 out of 10. Like, I didn't know about that. What the heck? What the heck? That's actually pretty good. I don't get this again. That's actually pretty good. Not the bad actually. I thought it was getting worse, but no. So luckily I picked the right one. So now it's time to try with the Takis. Yes, I almost finished it, but I'm scared. It's not too bad for the hot Cheetos, but take this down. Send that Takis looks like. Okay. Did it? Ew. I know I love how look disgusting. Okay, let's try with the Takis. No feel red. Takis and beans, 10 out of 10. Hot Cheetos and beans, 8.5 out of 10. I don't know how. Different chips are really good in the different beans. That's pretty good. So go try it out if you guys like to. But oh, I hope you guys like this video. And see you guys next one. Bye.